Thank you for watching this video. Okay, so this is our Nigerian fufu. So and this is peanut groundnut soup. Okay, follow us as you want to eat this fufu. Is watch out how we prepare this Nigerian fufu, and watch out how we prepare this groundnut soup. Thank you very much. Follow us as you want to eat this delicious food. Subscribe for right. But see, hey, this is nice. Delicious.
Wow, beautiful people, thank you for joining us. This is Nigeria fufu, and this is peanut soup with spinach and scent leaf. Wow, the texture is fantabulous.
Viewers, this is this is nice. So ó dàbí iyán.
Manola. Wow. The whole process is on our YouTube channel.
The soup and the fufu. Yes, eat.
This is what they call akun.
Manila eating.
Eating this one like 6 p.m. They call it 6 to 6. Those that eat like this one in the morning 6 a.m. you don't need to eat anything till 6 p.m. Manila eat now. Philip. Philip likes to eat by himself.
So Manuela, yeah, take.
Manuela, this is Nigeria fufu, okay?
Nigerian fufu. This is no smelling for this fufu.
Yeah. The cyanide compound is responsible for that smell. So once it has been processed successfully,
it's like pounded yam.
You will not observe those smells anymore. Just like pounded yam.
Right.
Fire.
This is pounded yam.
Viewers, please, you are invited though.
You are invited oh. Watch how we prepare this Nigerian fufu.
From the scratch. This is bitter cassava. In Ghana, they call it madumaku. So we are eating madumaku, not the regular agbilima.
This is yummy, delicious. Yeah, it's wow.
Show viewers updates.
Manola eat it.
This is Emanuela's own, this is Philip's own, and this is ours.
Dada.
Oh, this is
The peanut soup is delicious. Like it's like pounded yam. Pounded yam. Try and prepare this food for your family.
Dada.
wow.
Manila, see, Philip is, you see your own. See Philip own. Take it.
Philip, what will you say? Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.